What's up, peeps? It's your boy King from Solve, and today I'm going to show you how to create a thumbnail using Canva. So let's get into it. So once you're in the home screen of Canva, all you want to do is come up to the search bar. So we can search for YouTube thumbnail. You can see mine's is right here. So this is the easiest way to do it. So you're going to get a number of different templates here, and you're going to be able to choose what fits your niche the best. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Then you can customize this template. So now everything is pretty much set up for you. You can change this photo out. You can swap out this lettering. Say if I click this is the Montserrat font. I can change it to Open Sans. I can change it to whatever I want to change it to, right? I can go ahead and change the background color of this. This is an effect. So all different types of things you can do. I can change the color of the backdrop. I can take this subscribe button and move it around. It's pretty straightforward. This is the easiest way to do it. You can easily create good thumbnails this way without having to get in Photoshop and pretty much be a graphic designer. So I can delete this guy, and then I can come right up here to elements and say I can search man in suit, right? I'll get a lot of different images that pop up. I could choose cartoon images here. I could choose a cartoon image. I can choose, let me see. I'm not even sure why this is telling me. I already have Pro, but whatever. I can go here and choose a photo like this. So this is the interesting part about it. I can have this photo here, right? And you might think this doesn't work, and you might think it looks silly because it has the background. But the good thing about Canva is that you can go here and I can just remove the background in one swift motion. And now I have this photo here with no background, a PNG image of an entirely different person. And I'll do it again. Let's do this one. I could take this here. I could stretch this out how I please. Then I can go here, edit photo, and I can remove background again. So that's extremely cool. Now I want to show you all how to play around with layers. So you see when I drag this over here, right? When I drag this over here, the guy is actually behind the text. A lot of the times we don't want that. So all you'd have to do is right click, come here on layers, and I can bring it forward, or I can click on layers and I can bring to front. So this is the first image on the layer of text, background, this element here. I'm telling you guys, this is the easiest way to create a YouTube thumbnail, and it's how I create my YouTube thumbnails, right? So you can get some really good stuff going here. Like I can change the background color. Like this is really amazing. We've actually come a long way from this. I used to have to get in Photoshop and really just sit down and create all of my thumbnails. I just use this now. It's fantastic. So once you're done creating your thumbnail, you can easily just go in and hit the share button. Now, once you hit this, you're going to get a few different options here. You're going to be able to export it in PNG, and this allows for it to be exported with basically a transparent background, or at least that's what I use it for. An option is actually here. And now what you can do is I would go to JPG, and then you can select whatever resolution you want, right? I'll just go ahead and do 3840 by 2160, which is 4K. You can up the quality. So once you download it, once it's finished downloading, you'll get an option to save this thing pretty much anywhere you want to save it, right? So I'm not going to save it for the sake of the video. Actually, you know what? I'll go ahead and save it for you guys. I'll throw it right on the desktop. Let me see. I'll throw it right on the desktop for you guys. Boom. Now, I'm throwing it on the desktop. Let's go into my desktop folder. If I click right here, we're going to end up pulling up this thumbnail that I just created right here.